Almost every application that you use, either WhatsApp, TikTok, X, or Instagram, they have some form of list that you scroll through to view their content. So let's see how to build that. To create a list, we have a component called LazyColumn. So the LazyColumn is for building a list that is vertical. You can build a list that is horizontal, that scrolls in the horizontal left or right, and then we have the top and down. So to build the top and down, it's called LazyColumn. LazyColumn. So this one, you select this. You pass items. So select item, the one with the X, and then you pass the number of items you want to show. So let's say you have like 100 items. That's a list of 100 items. So for now, we are just going to show a test that counts all the items. Yeah, so this is it. Let's make it a full screen. So you pass the modifier. Let's add some padding to it. So this is a scrollable list. So you can test interactivity from the preview. Click on this more icon and then you select start interaction mode. So here we have the list. So this is a list of 100 items. You can see it's scrolling. Although it's not nice, but the point is that you use this LazyColumn create list. So to create a horizontal list, it's just the opposite of this. So I'll just duplicate this and then make it. So for horizontal list, you just change from LazyColumn to LazyRow. So you use LazyRow. We can create a preview for this guy. Just duplicate it and then pass this. So we have to stop this one in order to see the other one. Yeah. So this is the horizontal row. So this one, so if I turn on the interactivity mode, you see that it's scrolling. It's scrolling. So if you want a horizontal list, you use LazyRow. So for a vertical one, this is it, and this is a horizontal one. So this is actually used in a lot of applications. In the next video, we'll look at how to design a custom individual item so that it will be better looking than item counts that we have now. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. Thanks.